Hey guys, today we're going to discuss something about law of attraction. Do you believe in the concept called law of attraction? Whatever you get attracted in your life, you start owning it over a period of time. And if at all you don't believe in this concept called law of attraction, please read through these three books. One is The Secret, and number two is Power of Intention. Number three is The Science of Getting Rich. There are a lot of books available which is related to law of attraction. You can read through whichever is comfortable for you. And the most common aspect of all these three books are whatever you get attracted, you start investing your time, focus, energy, and that will turn into your life over a period of time. And connecting with our childhood, right? Whatever we wanted in our life, be it a chocolate or ice cream or toys, we start focusing completely into it, and we force our parents to get it. And once you become a teenager, once you get into college, right, you wanted to have a mobile phone or a two-wheeler specific brand with a particular color combinations. You start focusing your energy into whatever you get attracted, and your parents will buy it. If not, you start owning it over a period of time. Connecting with our current scenario, COVID-19 has badly affected our business, and there is a drop in business, there is a break in our jobs career, and there is going to be a little more challenge for the next 2 3 months for small scale industries, and people are going to face some tough challenges, right? But what are we focused now? What are we connected now? Are we connected to positivity, or are we connected to negative things? That we need to think now, because law of attraction says whatever you think, whatever you believe, it will automatically happen in your life over a period of time. If at all you start connecting your mind, your beliefs into negative things, especially there is a lot of chaos happening in social media, news channels, other forums, right? People start telling that economy will badly get affected, and there is a less possibility that we'll come back to a track in a very less amount of time. There is a lot of discussion which has been happening, but never try to put your focus on all these negative things which is happening outside. Start believing and focus your energy, focus your emotions, and focus your belief that things will change and we will get back to on track. The more we focus on positive things and what will happen to us, and how can we be a better person, how can we do our business in a better way, how can we make utilize of this time, and how can we come back in next 3 to 6 months, the more thinking that we are having towards our growth, definitely it will happen. The more belief, the more thinking that you have towards all this negative aspect, then that will happen. Decide exactly where you want to put your thoughts, put your energy, and also put your focus, right? You need to decide where exactly you want to put your attraction. Whatever we get attracted, we just own it over a period of time. Be it a businessman or a politician or a sports person, you talk to any of the business experts, they always say whatever we thought, we just get it over a period of time. So my humble request and the sincere suggestion for all of you, believe that we will definitely come out of this situation, and start looking for opportunities and think what is possible at this point of time. Never focus on what will not happen, always focus on what will happen and what is possible at this point of time. Things will turn up and we'll get back to on track. It will definitely happen in our life. All that we need to is just focus, put our energy into right things. Think about it and work on it. Definitely things will change. Thanks and cheers.